Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I have a little unboxing for you today. I was actually expecting this on Friday, but apparently the FedEx came a little early. Don't know why. I have here the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10. S10. Like I said, officially this comes out on Friday. This is not a review unit or a press unit. This is an actual production unit. Supposed to come out on Friday, but like I said, FedEx must have screwed up, delivered it early, so I can do an early unboxing. So it's kind of cool. So here we go. Got my knife here. Let's cut it open. All right. Ooh, shiny, shiny. All right. So this time I know something different. The manual is on the top here. Yeah, the manual's on the top here. So let's see what we got here. Whoop. So this is a phone. Wow. Nice. And I think it has a, okay, it's got the little plastic when you pull away, but that's a phone, okay? Phone. It also comes with USB-C cable. Fast charger, USB-C to USB adapter, and wire AKG headphones. So these are wire headphones, and they come with braided. The headphone is braided. The wire is braided, so looks a little higher quality. But because I pre-ordered this directly from Samsung, in addition to these headphones, they gave me a little bonus as for ordering early. They gave me these Galaxy Buds. So these, there you go, Galaxy Buds. Cool. And they come in like multiple colors. So I was told that if you order, it'll match your phone. If you order a black phone, you would get black earbuds. But I did order a black phone, and it looks like they sent me a white one. So at least I think it is, just judging by the box. So let's take a look here. Let's open it up here, and there we go. And yep, it's white. It's white. Kind of small. Open it up here. Yep. Is it focusing? Yeah. I got the white ones. They didn't give me black, they give me white. But these are cool because they're wireless charging. So you can actually charge it with the Galaxy phone, because it's apparently just put it in the phone and it'll start charging, which is kind of cool. So anyway, I'm going to set it up, install it, and then I'll do a more thorough review of it. But I did get a few other things as well, like because there's a case to protect it and a few other things. So I'll put those on. But right now, I'm just gonna unbox the rest, get this thing all set up, and then look for a more thorough review of the phone itself, as well as a review of these buds compared to the wire buds, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so cool. I got it 2 days early. 2 days early. So normally it comes on Friday, but yeah, great. Got it early. So anyway, you can order yours still. If you order, I think between now and Friday, Samsung will give you a free set of Galaxy Buds. These are worth $130, and they'll also give you a trade-in if you want to trade in your old phone as well. So it's a pretty good deal all around. Right? Okay, John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching this little quick unboxing. Look for a full review a little later in the next couple of days. See you guys next time.